All right, we're still talking about lines, but this time you're being given 2 points on the line. You're being asked to write the equation for those 2 points. Step number 1 is to find the slope, and you're given those 2 points. Just make yourself a table and find slope as you always would. To go from -2 to 4 is +6, and to go from 0 to 3 is +3. Your slope is still your change in y over your change in x. Y is 6, x is 3, and that breaks down to 2. So that's our first step. Our slope equals 2. Let's make this a little smaller. That's our slope. Step number 2 is finding b. Remember, because an equations look like this. Y equals mx plus b. That's one we'll use mostly in this class. So step 2 is we have to find b using slope-intercept form. I can choose either this first set of ordered pairs or this second set of ordered pairs. It doesn't matter because they're both on the line. I'm going to pick the second one because they're both positive. The 3 is my x, the 4 is my y. So I'll start substituting in. In place of y, I'll put a 4. In place of m, I'll put a 2. In place of x, I'll put a 3. The 3 comes from right here, n plus b. So all I have to do now is solve for b. 2 times 3 is 6. So you have 4 equals 6 plus b. You get the 6 by itself. That 6 is positive, so you subtract 6 from both sides. 4 minus 6 is -2. All right, that's your b. So you have the 2 things you need. You have your y-intercept, and you have your slope. All right, the last step is just putting it all together. So we have slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. We're going to put in place of m, we determine our slope is 2. And in place of b, we determine our slope is -2. So given the points 0, -2, 3, and 4, we figured out that the equation is y equals 2x minus 2. And the last step is checking it. So you'd use your calculator for this one. That's me drinking coffee. I should have had this up before.
Ms. White, please call the main office, extension 5302. Ms. White, please call 5302.
The last step is in checking it. It's just put in what the equation you got, which we said is 2x minus 2. And we'll look at the table. And if it contains the points 0 and -2, which it does, and 3 and 4, then I know I'm correct.